Today, I'll introduce you to our new solar origination platform that is driving down customer acquisition costs up to 50% and is empowering the next generation of solar referral agents nationwide. My name is Jason Loyette. I'm president and founder of SunShot Design. The U.S. has a major problem, and it's the expensive cost of customer acquisition. You can see from this chart that we're nearly 4 times the cost that they have in Germany. To reach our 2020 SunShot goal, we need to address customer acquisition to drive down from our expensive baselines today to the targets of tomorrow. Sales and marketing expenses are skyrocketing for companies like SolarCity. Just last week, SolarCity announced their 4th consecutive quarter of increased customer acquisition. In fact, they have gone up 12 cents a watt just in the last 12 months. Our solar origination platform solves this problem by connecting our solar fulfillment companies with referral agents nationwide. Our collaborative platform and our processes drive down customer acquisition costs up to 50%. Today, I'm going to go over 3 key elements of why we built the SunShot Design platform, who we service, how we make money, and how we drive down costs. I'm also going to go over our strategy, vision, and traction in today's market. Who we service. Our referral agents consist of home and business companies that are already marketing in the home. These include home inspection companies, roofers, electrical contractors. Our fulfillment companies entail solar developers and finance companies. I'm now going to go over one channel residential referral agent that has been using the SunShot Design platform since February of this year. This home inspection company has been in business for over 10 years. This one inspector services hundreds of homes every single year. Now, when he goes into a home, he's able to talk about energy efficiency along with the application of solar on that home. When that homeowner expresses interest in solar, he's able to go onto the SunShot Design platform and in minutes upload a very highly qualified lead to our contracted fulfillment partners. Now I'm going to show you how simple it is to download SunShot Design. We're available today on the Apple and Android. You can go on today and register. You can see the inspector now goes in, registered. He then receives customized training from the fulfillment company that allows for him to understand what information needs to be collected at the site. Now I'm going to go over how the process and demo for a home inspector logging into SunShot Design, what informations need to be collected. He's able to go into the navigation on a residential project. He goes to quick referral. At this point, we prompt him through all of the information, non-technical, very frictionless, that he goes in and collects, including high-definition video and images of the property that he's on. We also allow for him, like I said, to collect the exterior images of the property. This is an example of him taking a picture, using the photo, all of the information that is captured in SunShot Design. We also allow for him to get the signature of the homeowner, making it very simple for him to work with the homeowner, get the information, and they opt in to getting a quote from our contracted fulfillment partners. He clicks Submit Now, and it's that simple. That information then is synced to our fulfillment partner that presents the proposal, closes the project, and our referral agents and SunShot Design are paid by the fulfillment company. We've also designed our platform for commercial origination where additional information is needed to be collected at the site. Very simple process as well. The inspector's trained, or the referral agent is trained on the information. He goes to new site survey. We give him information to fill out, including the project data, design information, including pitched roof, flat roof, ground mount design. We prompt him through the screens that needs to be collected, and he's able to also collect high-definition video and images of the site. He goes to Submit Project Now. That simple for that referral agent now to upload very highly qualified projects to our fulfillment companies. We've also included the ability and enhancements in our platform to allow for our referral agent to go in and view a calendar. He can see all of the sites that he's been on in the past. We also allow for him to go in with a map view, and he's able to navigate to the survey map view and also view all of the properties that he's done site surveys for. It's that simple for him now to upload projects, refer projects, and make a profit from solar site design. How do we make money? We're paid by our contracted fulfillment companies that pay us for highly qualified leads coming from our referral agents. Why this is important is that nobody pays for leads that do not convert. How are we driving down costs? Our referral agents have deep relationships in the local market. These companies have been in these markets. They're marketing to the homes and businesses. They have long-term relationships. They're uploading highly qualified leads. Our competitive landscape has many companies that have recently raised money or they've been acquired by larger companies. We're transformational against our competitors. Our leads are highly qualified. Our leads are coming from companies that have deep relationships, and our fulfillment partners are getting the best of the best at leads. Scale and channel, just to give you the scale of the channels that we're working on, we're in talks with one home warranty and insurance company that has over 1 million clients. They are looking at solar site design as a path to profit in the solar industry. We have unlimited scale in this model. We're led by our CEO, Mike Cassidy, that joined Solar Site Design in October of this year. Mike has 25 plus years leading telecom and fiber companies. Myself, I've learned the solar industry the last 10 years from the ground up. Before I was in solar, I was doing software development, and I've combined my software experience with my solar experience to launch the Solar Site Design platform. As far as our early traction, we were chosen as the peer review winner of Village Capital Clean Tech Accelerator Program. We've been presenter at the Startup Alley at Solar Power International and Clean Tech Forum here in San Francisco, and just recently we presented to AOL founder Steve Case. And just in February of this year, we began delivering our first referral agents and projects into our fulfillment partner, SunEdison. We've had 2,400 plus and growing in the solar site design platform today. And we've raised money from angels investors, and we've raised $300,000 in angel investment, and we've completed 2 accelerator programs. In closing, we're here not just looking for capital, we're looking for fulfillment partners that are looking for highly qualified leads. If you're looking to drive down customer acquisition costs, please contact us. My name is Jason Loyette. I'm president and founder of Solar Site Design.
Jason, great job, and congratulations on the progress. It's really impressive. Can you talk a bit, so I love the idea that you're coming at the customer acquisition problem through a different angle than the competitors you listed, in the sense that you're going after the installer. I think that's a really interesting approach. But one of the challenges of that approach, of course, is how do you get installers on the system in a cost-effective way? As a SaaS investor, I think a lot about sales and marketing efficiency, like how are you going to spend money to acquire those users efficiently? How do you think about that?
It's basically, the calculus is 3 questions. It's a side sale for a home inspector.
Can you put the mic up again?
I'm sorry. The calculus is basically 3 questions you have to convince the home inspector. First off, it takes very little incremental time. Here's the likely close rate, and here's how much money you make if you hit those metrics. We've modeled this at a 5% close rate, and they still can make $85 an hour, just filler time.
And are you selling this directly to how are you getting installers to hear about it and convert?
We go to the top of the organization, sell the concept, and it trickles down to the boots on the street.
Okay.
We're working with a number of channel partners of that sort. Real estate agents are another perfect example. As long as they get around the RISPA issues, and all that requires is disclosure. So we're going big B to big B, rather than, it's really one to many rather than one to one. We want to fish with a net and not with a hook and a line.
Thank you.
Who's the target audience for the CNI channel?
Yeah, great question.
Not the
yeah.
target audience, but who's the target channel? So who are your inspectors going to be in CNI?
Manufacturing sales reps. These are individuals. In fact, we're working with one group of manufacturer reps that sell into cold storage facilities, already selling products. They have long-term, deep relationships with the buyers in those facilities, commercial industrial facilities. Perfect way to open doors. We've already proven that they're a channel that is going to open up and drive down customer acquisition.
Thank you.
Are you also pursuing very small roofers, like 2-3 people type of companies?
That is how I learned the industry. In fact, that's I've been doing solar development the last 10 years, and that's who I primarily have worked with, have been roofers that have incorporated solar, electrical contractors, HVAC companies. That's who we see as a large growth fulfillment channel that is in local markets. It's going to be very, they have a lot of database, a lot of embedded database that we're working with them on using solar site design, along with bringing in referral agents into the local companies then as well that will fulfill and build the projects. That's a very important channel for us.
It's great stuff.
Thank you.
Congrats, guys.
What was the name of your company, Mike?
Solar site design, and like I said,
the
we're
company,
available.
the CNI company that you were at previously?
Oh, who I was with previously?
Yeah.
Oh, I meant that we're recruiting as referral agents, manufacturing sales reps, and a variety of industries then. And I just pointed out cold storage is one channel that we're able to bring on.
But you've been in solar yourself. for
Yes,
how
I've been
long?
10 years. I've
And
been in solar.
Where were you before this company?
I've actually started a development company. We had $3 million in revenue, and we
What
did
was that company called?
Clean Power Design. And so primarily focused in the Southeast and the Midwest, Colorado, Texas.
Thank you.
All right, thanks, guys.
Thank you.